nuclear power is going to change our world, make it a better place for the future generations to come, well, you're wrong. Nuclear power is a risk that we cannot continue to take.
There are numerous problems associated with the use of nuclear energy: cancer, radioactive waste storage, and nuclear meltdowns. These main problems are extremely risky and dangerous to the health of the community and our environment.
Cancer. It is the uncontrolled replication of cells within the body, which is usually caused by exposure to radiation in this case. Gamma rays and other forms of radiation enter a cell and scramble its reproductive DNA strand. This starts a chain reaction of uncontrolled reproduction, which creates a tumor. Tumors are such as a health risk to all of the community.
Most middle-class families cannot afford the amount of treatment to cure most tumors in an invasive state, thus dooming the cancer victim to a most long and painful death. This, for example, could happen on a national scale if a local nuclear reactor hit maximum temperatures, sending harmful radiation into thousands of homes and sending the chances of cancer skyrocketing. We cannot allow for cancer to reach an even higher likelihood. There are already too many cancer patients.
Radioactive waste is the spent fuel of a fission reactor. This waste product is produced in the amounts of 1 thimble per person per year on the entire planet. Although that may seem small, adding 7.3 billion thimbles together adds up to an enormous amount. The risk of storage vats fracturing is a chance we should not risk. Though they are sealed closed with several feet of concrete and lead, if they break or malfunction and radiation leaks, as they have before, then we are all in trouble.
Radioactive waste is so highly toxic that only a simple exposure to it will kill you. If radioactive waste leaks into the environment, it will not only kill plants and animals, but humans as well when they drink from polluted water source or eat produce from a poisoned farmland.
If nuclear reactors reach core temperature maximum, in other words, a meltdown, either one of two things will happen. Either a buildup of hydrogen and heat will cause an explosion, or the core will grow so hot that literally the whole structure will melt to the ground. Both would release massive amounts of gamma, alpha, and beta radiation particles into the environment, as well as melted lead and concrete.
Though they say that nuclear power plants are one of the safest places on Earth, and that meltdowns are highly unlikely to ever occur, it has in fact happened before, and it is always a possibility for it to happen again. And if they do occur, results are almost irreversible. Do we want this to be the future? Nuclear power is unpredictable and dangerous. It cannot accurately be controlled by humans. Don't let nuclear power destroy our world. Be against nuclear power. Skyrocketing. Radioactive waste is so highly toxic that only one simple exposure to it will kill you.
Exposure?
Did I say explosion?